Welcome to First Affordable, the Glass Architects. Today we're in Seaview on the Isle of Wight. We've undertaken a new glass balustrade with a terrace floor and a granite deck composite decking. A slimline U channel with a stainless steel handrail. As you look outside on the terrace, the glass balustrade, you see the U channel, the stainless steel handrail. We've installed anthracite grey fascia board, UPVC turn and groove. There was no drainage on this terrace before, so we've put the drainage inside the turn and groove, which runs along the back, down side of the wall.